Here it is. We're gonna try it out, body scrub sponge. This is what this product is supposed to do. Ooh, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. First of all, in the video, it does seem like a lot of dead skin comes off, but super easy. So as soon as you start scrubbing that sponge against your skin, you are supposed to see bunch of dead skin all over your place. So I got this Korean exfoliating sponge at Amazon for $9.99. You're gonna get 2 sponges, but you don't get to choose the colors. They just choose it for you. When I got the product, I thought that the sponge will be a little bit more hard, kind of like soft, even in the package. And the most important things that you need to remember about this product is that it's not supposed to scratch, hurt, or red your skin. By the way, there are a few recommendations when you use this product. You gotta soak it in water to soften the sponge or it won't work. Sponge has been soaking for like 15 minutes, so should be good to go. When you scrub, your skin has to be completely clean before you do that. How to use this product is super straightforward. Step 1, you're gonna go in the shower, wash your body. You gotta get rid of all the oils, sunscreen, lotion, and you're gonna take a warm shower as well. I'm done washing. Here it is. Step 2 is rinse out the sponge with a little bit of water and then remove the excess water out of the sponge as a step 3. We're gonna start rubbing this sponge. This sponge does say that you're not supposed to put any shower gel or any soap on the sponge. You just need to scrub it to your body with water. That's it. Nothing. No! Oh, I know. When you touch the product does feel soft and kind of gentle, but that doesn't mean this product is gentle when you rub it against your skin. And I'm telling you, I have used really rough exfoliating tools, and this is on the top of the most irritating ones I use on my body. Woo! Nothing. Oh my god. Nothing. It's working now. Oh, wow. Huh.
I feel like after I talk to the chickens. It kind of works. But it kind of doesn't. I guess there's certain areas of the body that this works, and then there are other areas that don't work. At this point, I have scrubbed my feet, my legs, my back, my arms, and I even scrubbed the tub as a bathroom. And just to see the tiny little beads of dirt, is not as dramatic as they make it seem in the video. I don't even know if that's actually dead skin. I don't know. It could be just a sponge. Trying to deceive you. It didn't come off super easy as they show in the video, and it was really painful. Look at the redness. My skin is absolutely irritated, like my leg. The skin feels like paper. I have developed hives from scrubbing with this thing. It just makes me feel like this is not healthy for your skin, and I feel more crusty than ever, so thank you.
First things first, this is not a gentle exfoliating sponge, okay? Let's make that very clear. Also make very clear that you should not be using that sponge on your baby, okay? No. This is the first time that I feel bumpy, itchy, and super dry skin after an exfoliation, which is so weird. Also, the other thing that they say is that this is not supposed to irritate, make your skin red. As you can see, my whole body is completely irritated of using this baby sponge. As you can see, the product does work. You gotta do it right though. At least on my skin, it wasn't as crazy as the video shows. I mean, I wanted that, to be honest, but no, it was like tiny bit, you know, the same way as they send you random colors. I think it's gonna be kind of random of who this product is gonna work and who is this product not gonna work, or it could work like me in patches. Was it worth it, all that torture? Not really, no. This product is not as painless, as gentle, or as effective as they say, at least in my opinion. Even though I saw some dead skin coming off, I still think that it's not worth it to spend $9.99. I prefer to use that $9.99 and buy sugar scrubs. They leave my skin feeling much better. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Whatever that. You know what's the problem with this viral stuff? Isn't they always come with that tiny print at the bottom that it says it's not gonna work.